I'm Gia Matheny, Community Development Director for the City of Hernando, and I would like to welcome you to our Hernando Water Tower 10K race. Proceeds from the race benefit Hernando's Excel By 5 Dolly Parton Imagination Library, with a goal to improve early childhood education by making sure kids have access to age-appropriate books. Every child who is enrolled in the Dolly Parton Imagination Library between the ages of 1 month old to 5 years old will receive 1 book a month until their 5th birthday.
All right, we're Mark and Seda Foster from Hernando, Mississippi. We've been doing this race for about 5 years now. We love the atmosphere and love the city. It's a great race. Come join us next year.
Come enjoy some Southern hospitality and a beautiful race course under the shadow of the renowned Hernando Water Tower. After the race, that's when the party begins. Come enjoy a fun time at one of our local venues, the Courtyard off the Square on Panola Street, where we have an awesome after-race party with adult beverages, great food, and door prizes from our local sponsors. In 2019, we had runners from 10 states and more than 50 cities come to our historic town, and this year we invite you to come and see what we are all about. Come join us for the annual Hernando Water Tower 10K.